In this video, we'll show you how to safely and easily load your electric wheelchair into your car using telescopic ramps. Start by pressing the button found on the side of each ramp. Extend both ramps fully. Next, align the ramps on the edge of your boot. It may take a couple of tries to find the perfect position. For extra protection, we recommend placing a blanket on the boot edge or something similar to prevent scratches. Place your wheelchair directly in front of the ramps, making sure both wheels are lined up evenly. Engage the brakes, fold up the chair, and power on the joystick. Using one hand, gently tilt the chair slightly so the front wheels rest on the ramp. With your other hand, slowly push the joystick forward. The wheelchair will climb the ramps using its own power. Take your time and keep it steady. Once you reach the top, power off the chair and release the brakes. Maneuver the chair manually to fit it securely inside your boot. Retract the ramps by sliding them back in and locking them into place. Each ramp is made from a lightweight aluminium, making them easy to lift, transport and store. When you're done, simply place them into the zipped carry bag for effortless travel. Now you're ready for the journey ahead. Taking the wheelchair out is even easier. Just set up the ramps again and roll the chair down in manual mode. Let gravity do the work. Etech Mobility, designed for your freedom, built for your convenience.